In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your TikTok watch history, so you can manage it or delete it if you want to delete any video from your watch history. First of all, open your profile and then click on these three lines over here. You will see Activity Center under the Personal Tools section. Click on it, and here you will see a list of options. At the top of this list you will see watch history, so click on it, and here is the list of your recently watched videos on TikTok. So if you want to delete any video from here, just click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then click on select, and then select any video if you want to delete it. So if I choose this and whatever video I want, and then click on uh, delete, and then click on delete again. So this video, so those videos will be deleted from my watch history. And if you want to clear entire history of your TikTok, click on select and then select all watch history, and then you can click on delete, and your videos will be deleted from your TikTok watch history. So in this way you can clear your TikTok watch history. So if this video helps you to learn something new, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. And if you're watching this on TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, make sure to follow the profile. Thank you very much.